Hashtag Quantum Internet Alliance Progress, long-form tutorial script. You're probably thinking quantum internet is decades away. But the Quantum Internet Alliance is making moves right now that could change everything about how we communicate. And honestly, most people have no idea this is happening. Here's what you need to know. The Quantum Internet Alliance started back in 2016 as a European initiative. According to the QIA's official documentation, it's basically the blueprint for building quantum internet infrastructure across the continent. Think of it like the internet's evolution, but quantum. So what's actually happening right now? The QIA is focused on three major areas. First, Quantum Key Distribution Networks, or QKD. This is basically unhackable communication. Second, Quantum Repeater Technology. That's how we send quantum signals over long distances without losing them. Third, building actual infrastructure, the physical networks that make all this work. Now, here's where it gets real. According to recent QIA announcements and EU Horizon Europe program updates, we're not talking theory anymore. We're in the testing phase. Member organizations like Delft University and various research centers are actively building quantum networks in Europe right now. Let me break down how this actually works. Quantum communication is fundamentally different from regular internet. With regular encryption, hackers could theoretically crack your code, it just takes computing power. With quantum key distribution, it's impossible. The moment someone tries to intercept the quantum signal, it collapses. The sender knows immediately. It's like having a lock that breaks if anyone tries to pick it. The QIA's roadmap, available on their official website at quantuminternetalliance.eu, shows they're building what they call a quantum internet backbone. This isn't just one network. It's multiple nodes, multiple connections, spread across Europe. Think of it like creating quantum internet hubs in different cities. Here's the practical timeline. According to QIA's published goals, they've been developing quantum repeaters that can extend signal distance. In 2023 and 2024, member institutions announced progress on these technologies. The repeaters are crucial because quantum signals degrade fast, usually within about 100 kilometers. Repeaters act like relay stations, amplifying the signal without destroying its quantum properties. So why should you care? This affects cybersecurity. Banking, government communications, military operations, anything that needs to be truly secure. When quantum internet goes mainstream, everything changes. Your passwords today? Potentially hackable with quantum computers. Quantum secured communications? Mathematically impossible to crack. The QIA is also focused on making this accessible. It's not just for governments and big corporations. The Alliance is working with academic institutions, creating an ecosystem where quantum internet becomes standard infrastructure. Like how we went from dial-up to broadband. Here's what's genuinely happening right now in early 2025. According to recent EU announcements and conference proceedings from quantum technology summits, European cities are running live quantum networks. These aren't experiments. They're real infrastructure tests with real data transmission. The Netherlands has been particularly aggressive. Delft University and other Dutch research centers have deployed quantum networks. They're testing commercial applications. They're seeing what actually works versus what only works in theory. Germany, Austria, and other EU nations have similar initiatives. There's coordination happening through the QIA. It's creating a continental quantum internet vision. But here's the honest part. We need to verify current 2025 to 2026 details directly. For the most up-to-date information on QIA progress, you should check. The official QIA website, quantuminternetalliance.eu, has current announcements and their roadmap. Recent press releases from member organizations. Delft University publishes updates. Other participating research centers share breakthroughs. EU Horizon Europe program documents. The funding timelines and project updates are publicly available. IEEE Quantum Publications in Nature Quantum Information Journal. These have peer-reviewed recent developments. QCRYPT and IQT conference proceedings. These quantum technology conferences share the latest research. So what does this mean for you? You're living through the early stages of quantum internet development. This isn't a 10-year-away thing. This is happening now. The infrastructure is being built. The tests are running. For cybersecurity professionals, this is critical knowledge. Your encryption strategies are about to shift. For tech enthusiasts, understanding quantum internet gives you insight into the next major technological shift. For everyone else, know that the communication infrastructure around you is evolving. Here's a pro tip: start following quantum technology developments now. Subscribe to QIA updates. Follow the research coming from major universities. The more you understand quantum internet basics, the faster you'll adapt when it becomes mainstream. Another pro tip: don't be intimidated by the quantum terminology. It sounds complex because it is. But the fundamental principle is simple: quantum properties make interception impossible. One more thing: watch for announcements about quantum-secured networks in your region. Some cities and regions are starting to offer quantum-secure communication services. Early adopters understand the technology better and trust it faster. Here's what matters most right now. The Quantum Internet Alliance is proving quantum internet isn't just theoretical. It's infrastructure. It's being built in Europe. It's expanding. And the security implications are massive. The quantum internet journey is underway. Companies, governments, and researchers are navigating this transition. And just like any major technology shift, early understanding gives you a massive advantage. Remember, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. If you found this breakdown valuable, subscribe for more deep dives into emerging tech. We're posting tutorials and tech explainers daily. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's next. Because the quantum internet isn't coming. It's already here. And now you know what it actually means.